for? Head first.
Dave with his walleye. Good job.
Toilet. Here's Grandpa's cabin. All floated over there, so we really can't do too much fishing. Here's his cabin. Gotta take a hike up here. Just like that cabin right there. Cabin number 3. Oh yeah, you got your stuff already spread out. Where do you want this stuff? Right here?
Yeah. Watch it, all the other poles are down there. So
okay. Nice cabin. Nice little cabin for this guy. He's got his bed made. He's got his fridge, his AC. You need AC, huh?
Okay. So let's see what poles you're gonna take.
Alright, this is Grandpa cooking his famous hamburgers. French onion, Lipton onion.
Lipton onion soup burgers.
Kilian, Devin!
See how they're getting done?
Yeah. I like your style.
The regular one.
Kilian being bad. Oh, there's a new dinosaur. Our truck. Grandpa's truck. Here's our cabin for the night, 2 days. With the doggies, we got 2 wiener dogs with us. Futon. Kitchen table, AC. Refrigerator, microwave, sink, bathroom. Upstairs in the beds. Nice little loft. Nice cabin. Hi. How do you like camping with Grandpa? You like camping?
Come here. Look at the burgers.
Come on. Get to Grandpa. Come on.
You even have a bite of one of these burgers. I got a mini one for you.
He will. We'll try it. Hello. How do you like camping? Mississippi's right behind us. It's all flooded.
Yeah. And a picture of the duck shed cabin.
Grandpa, we'll be going to Grandpa's cabin.
Mine's not too bad. It lays down 4 different beds, but I had to take the mattress is so thin. I had to take the one mattress, put it on mine.
Double it.
The air is nice and cool, and I got a fan blowing it and circulating it. I'm in heaven up there. Like, as long as that air conditioner works, I'm fine. Got a microwave in the fridge, but the fridge had water down the bottom, so some of the ice must have melted from the freezer. Might clean that up right.
Grandpa, the master of Hambonian. Bug spray time.
That's the new cabin they built. That's where a lot of, if you got.
Grandpa, howdy. Nice burgers. Kilian, no, stop.
Don't go out in there, man. You get all kinds of stuff, poison ivy there. You been putting that stuff on you?
Yeah. Okay, now we got some cheeseburgers. Grandpa doing what he does. What do you do, Grandpa?
Eat.
What's the matter? I think he's overly exhausted. Come on.
Yeah, there's something that's rubbing his eye. He's getting dirt in it. Let me wipe his hands up.
Yum.
Still going good too. They're good, aren't they? Here's Mike. Wait till my picture. Here, I'll show you how to do this. Okay, we're gonna put that on there like that. See? Come here.
Come here, Kilian. Come do a marshmallow.
Come here. Come here, buddy. Can't get too close, but
The fire's hot. Watch Grandpa.
No.
Watch Grandpa.
look,
Kilian.
look. It's on fire.
What's that? That reminds me of that movie.
When he's
He's
bang.
playing the teacher,
Yeah.
and all the kids are roasting the
Oh,
marshmallows.
well, that one didn't work out too good.
Smokey.
That was a nice
Come here, Kilian.
Here, buddy. Want to do a marshmallow? Here.
Come on.
It's all you. Here you go. Come here. Hold it right there. Just don't touch the fire.
Don't touch the fire. Just hold it.
Want me to hold it for you? Come here. Look. I won't let it go as far this time because it fell right off. Now watch. Watch what Grandpa does. Ready? Now watch. Are you watching? Look. Look, buddy. Here we go.
Hot.
Oh, good.
You don't like it?
I'm gonna wipe them up.
Yeah.
No,
Okay, here.
no.
Camping. Okay. Give me a couple. Yeah, go ahead. Might as well. It's camping.
Are you working?
And on this side of the wagon,
This is the loft. This is where I'll be sleeping tonight, and then I'm going fishing with Grandpa on a boat. I gotta charge this. I'll be up in the loft. Smokies and cherries. Hey guys. Hey Marks. Kilian's finally eating a good meal. And like I said, we got the AC and we got our own bathroom, which is nice. No, don't put the fork in there.
I gotta go down the slide?
Are you gonna go down the slide with Grandpa?
That's yours, and I gotta go down the other one? Oh no, I ain't going down that one. My belly be stuck in there, and I'll be stuck in there like a whale.
Go down the slide with Grandpa.
Here.
Come on.
Down this side.
Hold Grandpa's hand and go down the slide.
No.
Come on.
Come on, Grandpa wants you to go down the slide.
Come on.
Come on.
Ooh, I can feel the heat on it.
Hey, I'm up here in the loft. This is my room, guys. Yeah. Had to get down these stairs.
No, hold it and reel it, reel it.
Would that be something else if they stick
Reel it.
on it?
Yeah.
Here it comes. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes.
Go,
boy.
Grandpa.
Oh, there we go. You want to do it again? Let's do it again. Ready? You throw it. Ready? Go. Oh, that was a good one. Here it comes. Wow. Look at there. Again? Nice job. Reel it in. By yourself. Just reel it. Reel it. Reel. No. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Reel. Reel. You got to keep holding on to it. Hold on. No, hold on. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. There you go. Reel. There it comes. Look at there. That's it, boy. Go, boy. Go. Reel. You got to keep reeling it. There you reel. Reel. Fast. Here he comes. Oh my gosh, it looks like a big fish to me. You better watch it. It might be a catfish. And you know what catfish do? Tickle ya. Reel it in. Reel it in. Bring it in. All the way in. That's it. Up a little closer. No, you got to bring it up a little closer because you can't throw it until you do that. And then you got to press that button. You got to hold that button. Ready? Well, you want the backwards way. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. You can't press the button yet. So, you can't press the button yet. You got to go like this and then press it. And then it does that. Okay, forget the pressing the button. Reel it. Okay, you do it by yourself now? That ain't gonna help.
That's a true Hamilton, because I remember fishing with somebody this morning who threw his pole.
Okay, you ready? Watch. Way out there if I can get it out there.
Kilian Devin.
Got a lot of room in there, but it gets jammed up quick with all that stuff, doesn't it?
We're fishing here. Hello. Hello. Hi, Kilian.
And we have no bites yet.
Why?
Because there's not biting yet.
Grandpa's pool. Kilian took a break on his. Adele's pool. And mine's way over there. We're going for cats or carp. Whatever.
We're going for whatever bites.
There's the Mississippi, the flow. Night fishing. Trying to catch a catfish. Night fishing. Truck. Night fishing. Oh yeah. Hi buddy. He's watching his YouTube. Get up, get it, get it, get it. He got it. He got it. Come look at the fish. That's a carp. Oh yeah, that's a carp. All right, I'll get it.
Hang on, we got a fish on here, buddy.
Oh, that's a cat.
Yeah, it is.
Nope.
What is
Borat or whatever it's called.
He's sitting there for show.
No, it's like a bowfin.
Is that a cat?
It's a bowfin.
Cool.
Come take a picture. Look at this bowfin. Look at the bowfin.
Wow.
Grab it, Dad.
I'm grabbing that thing.
It's a bowfin.
You grab it. Better grab it before you get going. Don't fall in or nothing though.
Come on now. It's a bowfin. You want a picture?
Yeah, I want a picture.
Adele, you have to do the picture.
I ain't holding it.
It's a bowfin, Dad. It's not going to hurt
I
you.
ain't holding it.
It's a bowfin. Come on.
I'll just take a picture of you.
No, it's your fish. Come here. Be a man.
You can't hold the fish, buddy. Here, we'll just take a picture.
It's a bowfin.
Okay, hold on. Not you.
Oh. Okay.
Come here. Why don't you hold it and release it?
He wants to see the fish. But
Come here. It's a
watch
bowfin. It has...
hold. Don't step on it.
Is that, well, you can't
It's a
hold it.
bowfin. Yeah, you can hold it.
How, yeah.
There you go. I'll hold it for a minute and you can get a picture of me with it. Or that.
Yeah, you just got slimed.
You got slapped by a fish. That's why I didn't want to do it.
It's fine. It's not going to hurt you.
That was a
You ain't
solid
dead, buddy.
Man, these things are so slimy. It's a bowfin. Come here and hold it.
Ah! I'm killing. Okay.
He's done with that one. You have to wipe your face on that one, bud.
All right, Dad, let's release it. I can't get a grip.
Matt, that thing's gonna end up dead.
Come here. Come here and release it.
Come here. I'll wait you down.
You gonna take a picture?
Yeah, I got it with my camera, with my GoPro. Just hold it. It's so slimy.
Buddy. No, I ain't going in the water.
You don't want to hold it?
Damn thing's too slimy.
Here,
Here,
I'll release
I
it.
Here, I got a better idea. Let me do it with,
I'm not gonna make you hold the fish. I'm just gonna wipe you off. Come here.
let me do it with the.
Come on. Come here. Let me wipe you down. Okay.
Then you can take a picture of my camera, okay?
I can't. You have to have Adele do it. My hand's so slimy. Got to get a grip on them. Okay, Adele, can you take a picture?
Yeah. Where's your phone? Who's
Right
phone?
there.
Okay, just take the photo then. You ready?
Yep.
All right. You want me to take another one just in case?
Yep.
All right. We're good.
All right, hold on. I'll release it.
There. See, he's kind of fishy. Well, now you're right in that mud. There you go. There you go.
It's fine.
This way. Watch this, your mom's catching a fish.
Hey, Dad, you want to help her get the fish while I record? Adele with a fish from Iowa. You didn't get it? You sure?
You definitely had a bite.
He was on there, but he got up. I felt it get real light.
Trying to get it going. Where's the thing that makes it go higher? Ready, Ben?
Yep. You ready? I'm pushing us out.
Where's the... Where do you get to go faster? Where do you get the throttle here, bud? Never mind.
You got it?
That's it?
Yep.
Gotta go faster than that, don't it?
Yeah.
That's why you're in here.
No, it's a no wake zone.
Yep.
How you doing, Fisherman Captain Hamilton?
Aye, aye, Captain.
I'm your first mate.
Just nibbling.